This is little Veronica after a trip to the dentist.
Hi.
Wait. Make a straight face.
That's me closing my eye. I cannot do it.
Close your eyes.
Oh, not do it so fast.
What does that noise mean? Did it stop?
I cannot close my eyes. No, it was just a text.
Oh. Okay, hold on. Oh, that's our lovely Veronica from that side.
Who's the guy?
From that side.
Who's the guy, the Two-Face? That's what I feel like, Two-Face.
No. Oh, Veronica, my favorite is I'm going to your one side and your last. You can't tell. Make it one side you can still see it.
It's horrible. No, I have to close it so it's not so dry.
Close your eyes.
Is it closed?
Oh my goodness.